Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar and in this video I'm gonna show you a method through which you can get Opus 4.7 model for free, and it is a limited time offer. You can't get it unlimited for forever. So you need to go to Zyloo.io, and if you go to the models you will see that Opus 4.7 is free and it is free for limited time. You can check out their Twitter account. So the question is how to use them. Click on the sign in button and log in with Google account. Okay, continue. Okay, now you can log in using your Google account. Go to API keys, create the API key, and you can name it anything. I will name it create, sorry, test. And now hit the create button, and we will copy this because it will go away very soon, so you can't copy it again. So I will be pasting it in my notepad. Okay. Okay, now the question is how to use this model. So for that I want you to install the OpenCode AI. You need to install the desktop version or terminal version. If you ask me, if you are a beginner, I want you to request you to install desktop version, and in this video we will show the method of using it through the desktop version. So open the OpenCode desktop. Okay, as you can see that we are on OpenCode, and now we will hit the setting button and we will go to the providers, and at the very end we will click on the custom provider. Now over here we will name it Zyloo provider ID, and the name will be in the bigger case, which will be shown in the model chosen window. Okay, now for the base URL we will go to the same website, and if you go to the documentation, you can see that there are base API. Copy this one, paste this thing here, and now copy the API key you earlier created. I will copy it and I will paste it in here. And for the model, my bad, for the model, go over here, select the whole this thing and paste it in here, and you can name it anything. I will name it Opus 4.7. Okay, now hit the submit button and it is saved. Now if I select the model, okay, as you can see that it is already selected. By the way, you can search for Zyloo and you will select the Opus 4.7. Now I will say hey. So as you can see that model is responding, and now what I will do is I will create a basic website using it, a restaurant website. We earlier tested it, now we will create it with Opus 4.7. So I will close this one and open it with the OpenCode terminal. So this is our prompt and it will create a restaurant website. Let's wait. So as you can see that it is generated by the Opus 4.7, and we will open it. So this is the location where it exists. So this is our Amber restaurant file. So as you can see that it is created by the Opus 4.7. So this is how you can use this model, and make sure you can join our Telegram account also if you want to get the latest update on the free model availability. And you can see that we post in this Telegram channel regularly, so you can join it, Amit Explains Tech, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for the latest notification. And thanks for watching.